Hey guys, I did the one thing I said I wasn't going to do in my last video, which was take a couple of months before I made another one. But with good reason, so bear with me. My laptop broke that I always used to edit stuff. It was really old and kind of crummy and would take forever, literally overnight to render. As you can see, now we have a computer that is way better. So that was taking part of the budget. That's one of the reasons why I didn't do so much on the car, but we do have some footage from 2 months ago. Some of this was filmed on my iPhone, so the quality isn't the greatest, bear with me on that, but I do want to say thank you. We recently crossed 400 subscribers, which is awesome, considering how inconsistent I've been with this channel. But we now have the resources to be more consistent with this, so that's what I'm aiming for. This whole year I've just kind of been wanting to get shit done, like right, and get a good foundation, and this is part of that. So thanks to all my subs, all my supporters. You guys are the best. Make sure you guys give a thumbs up for this video. It's nice to be back. I want to keep on doing stuff like this, and I appreciate you guys a lot. One more aforementioned, in the video I am working with Matt Pierce. The thing with Matt is he is extremely talented and skilled, and he works fast, which makes it very hard to film. So if some of the shots seem rushed or like it's not in detail, I will work on addressing that in the future in further videos next time I go and film. When I was filming this, it was just kind of a little bit rushed because of that. But I have talked to him, we're gonna address the issue, and the next video will be better. It's always gonna be a journey of improvement here. We've made so many mistakes, we're bound to learn eventually. So enjoy the video. Alright guys, it might have taken 2 months, but you guys usually get like a YouTube video every year or two, so that's good. It's happening. It's happening. 1 sec. It's happening, baby! Okay, so last time you guys saw me, I just got the engine, spent $2,700 on like a 6.0, it was clean, OQ9, took it apart, mint, and now I was like, hey, I'm back to poverty, so I don't know when the next video is gonna be, but I'm gonna make it happen, and I'm actually gonna be consistent. And I have. So, Teaxs Speed, Torker V4 camshaft. Matt's gonna get us the oil pump that I need. I got all the goodies pretty much, so we can start putting the LQ9 together, and I'm super excited. And in anime terms, this is literally the moment I've been waiting for the last decade, because I could actually have my shit running right. This is the moment I've been training for! I'm hyped. I'm very fucking excited. Like, I'm super excited. This is not scripted. I'm literally, if this is your first time on the channel, I'm this annoying and energetic just by default. So, let's get everything together, which most of it already is in the 8.6. Head over to Pierce Automotive and start making dreams happen, baby.
1 week later.
Alright, so this is actually continuation 1 week later because we had a little setback, but we're here. Meaning the engine and all the parts. I've got the camshaft down there, the springs, everything's here assembled. The 350Z's right there. So today we take off the bag, take off the oil pan, put on the ISR oil pan, just kind of start going through what we can. We can't finish it all the way because I want to get a set of $600 lifters that I'm too broke to get right now. But we can pretty much get to the point where like right before putting the heads on. So, and it just started raining. So it's gonna be a good day. I'm excited. So another positive sign here. Pickup looks super clear. I'm gonna pop off the windage tray here. Look at everything underneath it. I'm pretty sure that the ISR pan won't fit with this tray on it. Since it's got its own baffling system, it should be good. Important correction I needed to make immediately because I want to make sure no one breaks their car because of me. Reading directly off of Enjuku's website. Depending on which OEM windage tray you are using, you may need to trim the windage tray to properly mount the custom oil pickup tube. We did that. It's later on in the video. Please make sure you guys use your windage trays with this oil pan. But yeah, so far so good. Seal of approval? Nothing anything super sketchy pop out at first? Cool. I had to go for a fucking program. Documentation is important. It does not take that long, bro. The longer shit will be in the end. Like, making your life so much fucking harder. I know. I always put music over everything. It literally doesn't even matter what I say. It's got the right vibes. Filmmaking is all about capturing the right emotions. Oh no! Fuck! That's gonna break my shit! So everything looks good? You take a look at this. A little bit of Mario on the top one. Yeah, that's cam bearing. So, cam bearing. Looks like it's a little, the first one is a little fucked up. All the rest of them look good. That shows on the camshaft, but definitely gonna be swapping that out before we get the Torker V4 there. So the bag, the milling, high pressure, high volume, oil pump. It's gonna be going on. Also got the Teaxs speed timing chain somewhere around here. Gonna be tossing that on and then pretty much calling it a day until we can get this. Bruh. Alright, little modification we gotta do. The pickup does not work with the OEM tray, and then we looked on the Injuku site and it did say depending on which tray you have, you might need to trim it. So make a little cut right here and right there so that we can slide the pickup in and then we should be good. Little adjustment on this, so that wasn't getting flat, and while making corrections for this we realized it won't as long as this little piece is still there. So we got to cut kind of this whole front section of this windage tray off so we have enough space to run the pickup tube properly. That kind of brings us to where we are today, which is 2 months after everything you just watched and 4 months after my last video. So yeah, it's been good. The progress is there. It's nice to finally see all the parts of the engine in the same place where the car is. The engine's slowly coming apart. I would have had the lifters, but I made sure I got a PC so I could document everything. I think that that's important. I don't know if like people are going to be watching this 20, 30 years later. Who knows, maybe I'm gone by the time people watch this, and if so, future ancestors, you come from the balls of a man who did cool shit. But yeah, I feel like things are going good. The next step's going to be getting the lifters for the LS. That could be the last engine, oh, and the cam bearings obviously, and those should be the last engine parts that we need. Then we can get the block assembled, and then before we get the heads on, we do need to get everything taken apart to get the dual valve springs on, the new valve seals, and the titanium retainers. But that should all be in the next video once I get those lifters. But yeah, it's been going really well. I'm in a very positive headspace. I feel more hopeful now than ever. I feel like when I was younger, I was always like, oh, I'm gonna do this and rushed it. And now that I'm older, I'm like, no, I'm just a normal guy. I'm not like some prodigy. I am just a normal guy. And I'm still doing it. And I feel like that's better, because that's like the message of the channel is like, go back. I'm glad I recorded the old ones because I was so dumb in my young videos, and like I knew even when I was recording, I'm like, I'm gonna want to post this so I can look back at it someday. And yeah, I don't know, I feel like we're getting it now. It's starting to come together.
Oh yeah, it's all coming together.
And that's happened because this year I've just started taking things a lot more seriously and being more strict with myself, and that's led us to developments like moving out, getting a nice computer, getting the nice engine for the car, getting all the parts that we needed for the car. So we're on a very good trajectory. Thank you guys for being patient with me because it's taken far too long for me to get here. But we're gonna keep on charging forward. Once the car's done, which hopefully it will be running by the end of November is the deadline, which is fine because that gives us about a month and a half to get the lifters, put it all together. So I'm hyped. The next video will be putting it all together, and then the one after I will hopefully be starting it. I'm excited. Thank you guys for sticking along through the whole video. Make sure you guys give it a thumbs up if you gotten this far. subscribe, and then you will know when the next video is, and I will see you guys then. Take it easy, keep following your dreams, keep chasing it, don't let anyone bring you down. If you really have a passion for something and you really feel it, that's your calling, go for it. Regardless of the mean comments, regardless of the people bullying you, you will get older and you will thank yourself for doing cool shit. So do cool shit, guys. I'll see you next time.